Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna break, but I'm holding to a hope that won't fade. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come. There'll be no war, and there'll be no change when Jesus comes. Let today be the day. He'll come for the weak and the strong just the same, and all will believe in the power of His name. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return to heal every hurt and right every wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. Deep down I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Come, Jesus, come. One day He will come, and you'll stand face to face. Come and lay it all down, 'cause it might be the day. The time is right now. There's no need to wait. The past will be washed by rivers of grace. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long.
If you enjoy this lesson, please consider supporting the channel by becoming a patron. When you do, you can get access to a full video breakdown of how to play this song, as well as a visual chord chart to follow along with. If you want to check that out, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page.